Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to stand out from the competition on Upwork. Why would you want to know how to stand out from the competition on Upwork? Well, maybe it is your first time using Upwork and not sure how to stand out from the competition on Upwork. So today I am going to show you how to stand out from the competition on Upwork. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. If you're not getting jobs on Upwork just because of competition in the market, don't worry, I will tell you how to stand out from the crowd. First of all, open any browser. Now write upwork.com. Now you are seeing search bar. Without typing anything, just click on search button. Now here at the top left corner, you are seeing filters. Scroll down. Here you are seeing number of proposals. Click on less than 5. Now you will be able to find only those jobs with less than 5 proposals. So there are almost 70% more chances of getting a job or response from a client if you write an effective proposal with portfolio. There you go. If you wanted to know how to stand out from the competition on Upwork, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.